action. Yes, good morning everybody. Here we are at IR Photo Tours doing a tour in the Lake District. It's a lovely old day, as you can see, soaking wet, really misty, low cloud, and it's looking fantastic. So just to prove that you can get fantastic images in the rain, as long as you've got an umbrella and you keep your gear dry, here they are. Now we've got the images here at Rydale. We're going to go off to a place called Slater's Mine, or commonly known as the Cathedral Caverns in Little Langdale, and there we will be showing some lovely photography there, underground and out of the wet. I will catch you later. Lovely old job. Here we are. You alright guys?
Yep.
Nice, lovely weather as usual in the lakes. I don't call it the lakes for nothing, do they? You alright, Richard?
Yep, just look for a right part out.
Okay. Right, so we're here then at the Slater's Mine, or the Cathedral Caverns as they're known. There you go. Oh my word, there's a lot of water. So here we are. Lovely old job. Wow. Oh, looks epic, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we're here now. Whew. Now when you shoot from that end and shoot back this way, all that lights up as green up there. It looks fantastic on photo.
I love the hole in the roof.
Yeah, it's amazing.
So thank you, National Trust then.
Is it National Trust? Yeah.
So are you a member?
So what do you think, Steve? Good?
It's amazing.
Yeah. It's a case to find compositions and, you know, enjoy. We'll see what we get.
Yeah.
Not sure I can, this video will work in here, it's quite dark. But we'll see. Anyway, we're going to shoot off for now and do some photography and show you the images.
Yes. Rather dark in here, isn't it?
It's rather what?
Dark.
Yes. Spooky. It's very
Spooky.
spooky. I've got a tilt shift lens, Canon EOS-R on a mini tripod. And what my aim is to go around this corner here and to get the reflections in, but be very low angle and get the reflections in. So the tilt shift's going to help me with that as well. So yeah, hopefully we'll get some great images and reflections in the water.
Okay.
So I'll see you later.
Okay.